Today, I'm going to walk you through how to send disappearing videos on Telegram, step by step. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to send a video to someone, with complete confidence that it'll delete itself after it's watched. This is perfect when you want to share something private or temporary without leaving a footprint behind. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about where you can use this feature. The disappearing media option is available in standard one-on-one private chats. Imagine you have a video you want to send, a cute moment from your pet, maybe a snippet of a surprise gift, or anything you want viewed once, then gone forever. This self-destructing message is how you do that. Start by opening a private chat with the person you want to send your video to. These disappearing videos only work in private, one-on-one conversations, not in groups or channels, so make sure you're in the right kind of chat. If you see just you and the recipient at the top, you're good to go. Next, let's attach the video. On Android, you'll notice a little paperclip icon down in the message bar. On iPhone, it's a plus icon instead. Tap that icon and you'll get access to your phone's gallery. Here, you can browse your photos and videos. You can either select a video you've already recorded or record a new one right on the spot. If you're recording something new, just tap the camera button and capture your moment. Take a second to double-check that the video you've picked is the right one, especially important if you have similar videos in your library. Now here, where the real magic happens, the timer. On Android, you'll see a small stopwatch icon next to the send button when you're previewing your video. Go ahead and tap that. For iPhone users, this works a little differently. When you're ready to send, press and hold the send, that upward arrow button, and you'll see an option pop up for send with timer. It's easy to miss the first time, but once you know where to look, it becomes second nature. At this point, Telegram asks you to choose how long the recipient will be able to view your video. You've got a few options. If you want extreme privacy, there's the View Once option, which lets the recipient play your video a single time, and that's it. Boom, gone. You can also set a time limit, anywhere from 3 seconds up to 30 seconds, so if you think your video needs a little longer to watch, you've got flexibility. Don't stress if you're not sure. You can always try a short duration first, then experiment with longer settings to see what works for you. Once you've set your timer, go ahead and send the video. In your chat, you'll notice the video displays as a blurred rectangle with a timer icon sitting on top. That blurring makes it clear to your recipient that this isn't an ordinary video. They only get one shot or a set amount of time to view it. As soon as they tap to watch, the clock starts counting down. When their time is up, the video deletes itself permanently, not just for them but from both sides of the chat. No copies, no lingering media, nothing left behind. This feature comes in handy whenever privacy really matters, or if you just want to keep your chat more tidy and secure. And don't worry if it takes you a few tries to get used to the interface. Telegram's menu can be a little different between devices, but once you find the timer, you're all set. That's it. You've just learned how to send disappearing videos on Telegram like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and share your questions in the comments. I always love hearing from you. And for more tech tips and guides just like this one, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.